During the entire month of January, enjoy a 15% store-wide discount when you order from amp3.net. Happy New Year from the crew at AMP3, the Austere Medical and Practical Preparedness Project. We are excited about the prospect of the upcoming new year, and we want to share that enthusiasm with you with a 15% store-wide discount for the entire month of January. Our first aid kits are the best you can buy. They are hand-packed in America, and many of them come packaged in nylon bags manufactured in the USA. For instance, our Range Medic, which includes a chest seal, a blood stopper kit, and the all-important individual first aid kit, or IFAK, all in one compact package, perfect for the range or a hunting trip. Also, the individual first aid kit, or IFAK. This one comes packed in a MOLLE-compatible nylon bag made in the USA. You have your choice of red, black, or coyote brown. Go to amp3.net and click on the Shop Here tab to place your order today and enjoy a 15% store-wide discount for the entire month of January. Happy New Year from the crew at AMP3.